is this dolly cart actually helpful in moving heavy stuff? Just watch this. All right, the wheels actually roll very well, even on driveway cement. Now, I do want to thank the company for sending me this to check out. One of the best features about this dolly cart is the way you can use the handle. Now, it does come down at an angle, which makes it easy for pulling behind you. But if you want it to be straight up to even help support what you are carrying, or you want to push it, it comes with great feature as well. This bottom piece kind of raises up and down, and there are little groove holes down here that you can just slide this down and lock it in place in those groove holes. Now, once you lock it in place, that locks the handle in place. Then you can just push it this way. Another great feature is that the wheels roll, they swivel, so you can push, swivel, move this around in all the different ways that you need to. Now, it did come with 2 bungee cords that can be used to secure your items if you are carrying heavy things and you don't want them to move. These bungee cords just hook right up. Now, the swivel wheels and options on this does make it very easy for swiveling it right, those boxes or whatever you're moving, right into small corners and small spaces. Now, speaking of small corners and small spaces, everything on this is very compact. So like the bottom of it, you can push it in and have it for smaller boxes, or it's got this handle heel. It does extend for bigger boxes, but you just move it back in, and the handle does have this button on the top where you can make it a short handle or make it a longer handle. But that will fold back down, so it folds very compact, just one little compact thing, and it does fit right on a shelf very easily, or it slides right in the trunk of your car very easily as well. So it is portable if you're moving things around from like your house to a storage unit. Now, this does have the option to lock 2 of the wheels. This does have 6 wheels on it. 2 of them on the front are stationary, with the other 4 being the rotating wheels so that you can have that swivel motion. But in the back, the 2 wheels in the back do come with this little locking lever, and you can just push it down to lock those wheels so that they don't swivel. So you can quickly go from a compact little dolly cart to a full-on expandable workhorse for you in just about 2 seconds. So if you're looking for a dolly cart, this might be a great option.